vlogs again, and thank you so much for watching again my channel. I now have something that will interest all of you. It's a new GoPro Hero 7. Let's go check it out. Can you like see my shirt is kind of like wet because I just got out of the rain and it was really raining very hard. So if you're gonna like here in my country, in the Philippines, and it's during the months of June, July, August, September, October, November, those months are really very rainy, and voila, this is the new GoPro Hero 7 that I just got and was sent to me by my daddy. Thank you so much, Popsy, for ordering this for me, and my brother Ali who bought this from the States. Thank you from the both of you. Okay, let's go check it out, what's inside. So there you go. Okay, let me just go ahead and show you what this is. The new GoPro Hero 7. See? We are now going to take it out of the box. Let's check it out. I just unsealed this already. And there you go. We're gonna put this box here. GoPro Hero 7. By default, new features of the GoPro Hero 7 Black. This was a black one. It's got this little screen on front, and it's 12 MP. It can take 4K videos, and it is waterproof up to 33 feet, 10 meters. And it can also do live streaming, voice recognition, voice audio, touch screen as well. It also has 8 times slow-mo, GPS, it can take HDR, and this actually is very identical to previous GoPro Heroes as the 5th and the 6th, but this GoPro Hero 7 Black has hyper smooth, and that is stabilization. That's the main feature of this one. So I really got this because I'm planning to go traveling and I'm going to do some outdoor vlogging, so this really works best with outdoor vlogging. So we've taken out the GoPro from the box itself, and this is it. Okay, it's got some other accessories with it, and with the package that we bought, it's got a 32 gigabyte SanDisk micro SD memory card included. And what else? Oh wow! It's got its own, I don't know, cloth cleaner and dual battery charger. So the box comes with a battery charger plus another battery. Let me check. I haven't opened this yet, so let's see. Well, I think I'll try to open this later because I'm not going to be using this yet anyway, but this has a dual battery charger and additional battery for your GoPro adventures if you will need more battery. So okay, let us go ahead and remove this. This is my first time to own a GoPro. let's check it. So GoPro's really very lightweight. I used to borrow one of my friend's GoPro before, and there you go. It's really very light, as you can see. It can fit in my mouth. I know. So there you go, touch screen. I put on the battery earlier, so put on your battery in the. So I also put in a 32GB memory card. And let's check here. On the left side of the GoPro, you will find here the latch or the hatch where you can pull off, and then there you go. You got a USB-C type charger. So this is actually a what do you call this? This one is a type C. So your input/output is type C, and you have a mini HDMI. So you see, that's it. You got GoPro Hero 7 logo at the back. Oh, at the side, sorry. At the back. Okay, let's turn it on. There you go. See, so cool. Hyper smooth technology is already embedded on this device by default. And there's a little screen here in front. You'll be able to find details here, including which you're using, if you're using the camera or you're using the video. And it will also show you how many photos it can still take from the memory and battery life. So this is like a black and white screen only, but you'll be able to view it even in tough sunlight. What else? I am going to also take some footage and photos here. I'm going to include. Okay, and definitely, of course, the GoPro can have an expansion. It can be expanded with an output, and you can expand this GoPro, including microphone, external microphone. Of course, this is also touchscreen. You'll find it in there, the options, touchscreen here. So you can select from using photo or taking video. Okay. And this one is the case. It's got a case in here. I think you can detach this case and use it somewhere. Yeah. Oh, there you go. So that's it. Then you put the GoPro again here on its case, so that your GoPro will be protected while you are taking photos or video of your adventure. It clips there very tight. And what else? So what's also inside the box here is, okay, let's open it. We got some leaflets and manuals and instructions. And what else? You got the cable, USB type C on the other side, and on the other side is regular USB size, and some, what do you call this? It's got a 3M, so I think for vlogging, or I think this is for the helmet one, when you can strap on your GoPro, and this is for flat surfaces. You have this as well. So I think they're called attachment thingy or whatever. So let's put that back. We'll be needing it. And then what else do I have? Okay, so now that you have your GoPro with you, I do have some stuff that I pre-ordered as well, because I know my GoPro is going to be delivered very soon. So I got myself a case, you know, because this GoPro Hero 7 now, since it was released since 2018, you will be able to use it as since it has its own hyper smooth technology stabilization. You can use this as your own vlogging device, taking photos and videos. Just make sure definitely that you do have a lot of space of memory cards with you. And this is the Telesin 3-way extender. So it's really multifunction. It's got your handle here, and I think this can also float. Plus, I've read the instructions. It has its own stand for tripod. So you can use this. You can also use this as tripod. I'm not really gonna go ahead and delve this. Oh, it's also basically the same. It's a tripod itself, and it's really very sturdy. The material is nice and good, so you might want to go ahead and try this out and try to check online what Telesin is, and this will really give you an extension of what your GoPro can do. Oh, this is good. This is like a selfie stick. So being a selfie stick, you also do have this option to put in your phone in here somewhere. So it's actually very long. It's more than a meter long, and yeah, this will be very great and advantageous as a monopod itself. A tripod as well. It's got its own tripod, and that's it. This is going to be really very helpful on your travels and your trips if you need anything for your device. And it's really pretty cool how this is going to work for you. So it really all depends on how you're going to use this with your GoPro. And what else? And that's pretty much it, you know. Okay, I'm now going to go ahead and put them all back inside its little box. I don't want to mix them up because there's actually two. I bought two monopods and selfie stickers. Call them whatever you want to. So this is going to be useful for all of the trips that I'm going to make if I'm going to take a trip for an adventure, or if I'm going to take another trip for vlogging other devices, or if I need to take or vlog whatever. And that's it. And this one, so this case, sorry, that I have can fit the GoPro inside. Definitely, so it can fit the GoPro inside. And what else? So maybe if I gonna like decide to remove this, then the GoPro can actually fit inside, including this this tripod, whatever that I have. We'll see. I'll be having a trip to Koran. I'm also going to have a trip to Singapore, and who knows where else. So I'm really very excited on how I am going to spend my trip and use this GoPro, you know. So the advantage really of the GoPro versus cameras is that hyper smooth technology, and you know, the new technology that this device really has is very different to what you'll get from a normal mirrorless or DSLR. So there's also a huge difference between using action cameras, because there's actually more features that you can find with action cameras versus DSLRs. Although DSLRs have more features when it comes to photography and all other stuff like that. But if you want to create your own content in YouTube and you want to be more adventurous, I do recommend the GoPro Hero 7. This GoPro Hero 7 Black is available now. You can buy it anywhere online or even in stores. The cost ranges from around $300 to $350 and beyond, depends on the package that you have in Philippine pesos. I think there's also like the price range of this item is fair enough in Philippine pesos. It's more like 18,000 going up. You know, it all depends on what store or which store you're going to purchase this item. So thank you so much for watching this unboxing video of the new GoPro Hero 7 Black. This is MIAMIA again for MIAMIA Vlogs. Bye bye.